Alright, we have just one on this little section here. So let's look at this one. We're talking about information about pictures. So let's have a point F and a point P. I don't really know anything about them, I just know that we have an F and a P. And we're going to put an A somewhere in between it. So we're just going to put A right here. So it doesn't matter, it doesn't say anything about it, but we do know that FA is this, and we know that AP is this, and we know that the whole darn thing is 55. So I'm going to add this plus all of that is equal to 55. So I have 5x plus 10 equals 55, 5x equals 45, and x is equal to 9. And what did we say? We said solve for x. That's what we did. So cool. Alright, you guys also asked for 12. For 12, we have an old loaf of bread. There's 7 moldies, 14's fresh. If she randomly selects 2 pieces, what is the probability that both? Both means and means times. So we want both moldy. So let's look at the first moldy, which is 7 out of 21. There's 21 total pieces, 7 of them are moldy. But once I have a moldy one in my hand, I can't get that same one, but I can get 6 of the other ones. And now I only have 20 to actually choose from. So this is nice and reducible, so I'm going to do so. That reduces to a 2 and a 2, and it reduces to a 10. So very, very quickly, probably faster than even plugging it all in your calculator, you can get that it is equal to 1/10. All right, let's do 13. 13, we're trying to figure out how this one here moves over to this one here, and hopefully you can see that that just reflects over the y-axis, which is right here on B. So it does that, which means, let's see, across the x-axis and then the y, no, that's not going to happen. Rotation 180 degrees, no, that would be way over here, so that's not going to happen. Rotation of 90, so if this rotated like this would be here, this would be my A prime, so no on that one as well, so just that one. For the next one, we're asking how this goes down to here. So it's not just across the y-axis because that goes just there. It's not just 90 because that would be in this section. Across the x-axis, which would put us here, and then across the y-axis. That looks real good. And then rotate 180 degrees. So this would have been my new A, which means that this would be my new one down there. So that looks real good there on D. So we actually have 2 little options for that one. Okay, someone picked 14, which surprises me a little bit. That's okay. Here we go. The reason, the only thing that we can do with this is add them all equal to 180 because triangles equal 180. So I'm going to add all those numbers together. 3 plus 4 plus 2, which is 9. And 21 plus 1 minus 8 is 18. So I'm going to subtract 18 and then divide. I get 18. Now that is not my question. My question says the measure of the smallest angle. So looking at each of these, 4 plus is bigger than 2 minus. 3 plus is bigger than 2 minus. So this one must be my smallest one. So I'm going to go ahead and plug in my 18 into there and do my little math up done. And I get that for angle A.